Hey guys, what's up? So today is officially our first day in the house and we are still unpacking. I am exhausted. Oh, there's the light. There goes the light. So yeah, but as you see, my house is still in limbo. Let me just show you. Packing out. I still have the other part of the couch to come. That started, well, yeah, I have a bed right in the middle of my living area because we camped out for the night. I just got the microwave and stuff. It's snowing like cats and dogs outside right now. So I still have all that stuff to pack out. So my house is in disaster zone. And they just delivered my son's brand new bed set. So yeah, so let's go upstairs and see what they're doing. Oh, Memphis. Yeah, so our house is still in limbos. All my furniture still haven't come up. The girls' room still in shambles. I'm sorry, yeah, I got TV in the middle of the floor. So this is a messy. So yeah, and still have all that. My beds, they haven't even been set up. Yeah, I gotta wait till hubby comes home. Here, Memphis, here's a laundry basket. Oh, I can't get it out right now. Mother hen's in the bathroom, and I got my handyman here. Look at him. He's setting up his bedroom set. So yeah, guys, we're just here for now, setting up this place. Let's see, get some light in here. Oh, look at that. I love this lighting. I love it. So yeah, but hey, see, you teach them from they're young and they become very handy. 13 years old and he's able to set up his own thing. That's nice. That's really sweet. And here is Miss Fate for y'all. Doing her thing.
What am I doing?
I don't know what you're doing.
I have nothing to do, so.
What do you mean you have nothing to do? You were cleaning up downstairs.
No, I was packing out downstairs.
Okay, are you gonna finish pack up downstairs? Will you get one knife? Get one of Mario's tools. Hello, don't use the knife. It's not working because you're gonna scratch up the thing. Go get the screwdriver. That's what you need to go do. Get the screwdriver because I don't want you scratching it up. The brand new furniture. So yeah, oh, I can't wait to see when his room is finished set up. So I will actually, well, if the room gets finished set up today, guys, well, that's what we're gonna do. I will definitely show you guys what is up.
Did you put anything in your closet?
Oh, somebody else. Okay, they moving in. So no, his closet's empty. What's in the closet? Nothing. So, and we are going to cook our first meal up in this bad boy tonight. I am excited.
Wait, what are you making for dinner?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm making for dinner. I'm maybe making some stewed chicken. Did you take your vitamin yet? No. I told you guys to take the vitamin. No. Ew, Memphis. Ew, that's so disgusting. Like, really? Memphis, I'm vlogging. That's gross.
He farted.
Look at that nasty boy right there. He just. Oh,
he farted on him.
Take out the sheet
fart
stuff.
bun.
You guys are disgusting.
Well, you got the fart bun, so.
One of them is his, and one's for your bed, and one for Rissa's. So, yeah, little miss is away right now, so it's just us cleaning. My girlfriend's supposed to come over and help. How hard is that? Let me hold it. Ready? Pull. Just don't hit me in my face. Pull, face. Boobies. This is not working out well, guys. It's not working out well.
Your phone's gonna fall.
Ow! Oh, we got it. Okay, so that one's in his, and then this one will be in her. All right, look at this one here. Ew, Memphis is This is fart string. Ew, that is disgusting.
Oh, I don't want that one.
It's yours.
Hello? Ew, Memphis is blowing. Oh my gosh. Don't do that. You're going to lock it up in the room. That's so gross.
Memphis is my lock.
Oh,
Fart up in the
teenagers.
room. Well, I'm cleaning my side of the room.
No, clean up both sides of the room, yours and hers, and make it pretty. Oh gosh. So, unfortunately, my bedroom, my room won't be sorted out as yet.
My cinnamon bun comes, Mayo.
So until hubby gets home from work, so
Cinnamon bun.
still maybe have another week until he comes back. So when he comes back, I'll get my rest of my dresser and get my bed together and my bed head. Right now everything is in the garage. Everything is in the garage. For now, what we couldn't bring up, I just left. And like my mattress. So this is actually my son's mattress. It got delivered yesterday. So yeah, I had to test it out. I had to test out his mattress. So, what did you just do, Faith?
Nothing. I was laughing. You said you have to test out Memphis's mattress.
Well, mine couldn't come up the stairs, and I'm exhausted. I ended up. I had a headache. The worst thing is to move when I have a headache. Like, it's the worst.
Oh my god.
And I gotta wash.
See my hair? Wow.
I gotta wash my hair today.
Look at my
Yeah,
hair.
you need to wash your hair. It looks like a rat's nest.
Because of the wind yesterday and moving. And
So that is pretty much what we are probably planning to do. We're just
pretty much got everything packed out.
Yeah, well, yeah, the house is pretty much packed out. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for like a house tour when we are done what we're doing. But as for now, don't mind when you see vlogs come out and this house is in limbo. Because I'm sure it's gonna be a while. Because I had my exam, so this was like the first week I actually got some time. I have a little bit of time. It's not too hectic to get stuff done, so kind of worked out. But it was kind of stressful, packing and everything, and exam and having to rent. Now I gotta go rent a truck and all that stuff just to get everything moved. But I am so glad everything is moved. It's done. Oh. Who said? But I always find packing is a lot harder than unpacking. Unpacking is easier because we moved in yesterday and almost everything is pretty much unpacked, which is good.
Except I just threw everything.
Right? It's just I gotta organize now, get the clothes them hang up.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. But
so if any one of y'all want to come over and help us
I'll take
unpack. That would be greatly appreciated. I am drained. Like right now,
my arms hurt.
I just want to sleep. I want to sleep. I went to bed at 1 o'clock. Was it 1 o'clock? We were up till last night. Up till 1 o'clock
you
packing.
can ask me because I fell asleep.
We didn't eat until 10:30, quarter to 11 o'clock. I went all day. I totally forgot that I didn't eat anything. So it's just been one of those days. It was a very frustrating and tiring day. From this end to that end, picking up furniture, and my dining room table, like I got it, but when we bought the dining room table, we ended up having it delivered. So that was delivered to my girlfriend's house along with some other pieces, but I couldn't bother to go pick that up. So I'm gonna wait till hubby comes home and he can go get that because he's gonna have to put that together. So, yeah, we still have a lot to do. But for now, guys.
I love the chairs for the dining room table.
I'm exhausted. I am exhausted.
I'm gonna watch some TV. No,
watch some TV. Yeah, but I need to take a nap.
I can't sleep.
But I just want to get this place organized. Once it's organized, I love when things are organized. I feel more... I got pictures that I gotta hang. There's so much things that I gotta do. I gotta get new picture frame, all that stuff. But it would all take time. So I'm sure the fully furnished house tour, it's gonna be a while because we still have a lot of things to do. The girls' bed sets them haven't come because they had a bunk bed at the last house. Now this house, I don't want to do another bunk bed. And if I do, I'm going to do the wood one. I don't like the other one because the other one rocks too much. And if I do, it's going to be a double. I would do the double bunk bed on the bottom and the single one on the top.
Yeah, so I'll get the double bunk bed at the bottom and then...
But I think I'm might just do separate beds. right? So I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna get them all white. So that's what we had decided on, an all white.
Yeah.
All white bedding for the girls. But yeah, guys, so we're just here. If anything else, we'll get back to you. Hey guys, so I'm still here, but I wanted to go see Memphis. Said he's finished his room, so let's get a tour and see what it looks like. We can come in. Oh, look at his room, guys. Look at this one. His room is all finished, and he did it himself. Now he just got to put away the stuff. Oh, that is really nice. Now all you got to do now is what? Pack the stuff them in the drawers, because all your drawers are empty.
I'm gonna need your Xbox.
What?
I need your Xbox.
Oh, you need your Xbox? Oh, you can soon bring that up from downstairs, but not yet. We gotta finish setting up everything else. So yes, look at his room, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I love it. And he's got his TV set up, so he's just gotta get his game system in here, and he's all set to join ya. Oh my god. Oh, this bed is so comfortable. Oh, Faith is still on her way at her room. I'm still waiting for her set to come, but oh gosh. So we're still waiting. And this one, he has nothing packed out. So look at his closet. He just has a whole bunch of hangers and nothing packed out. I wouldn't even show you the mess that's in there. So yeah, your dirty hamper. Maybe you could stick the dirty hamper over there in the corner.
Black thing.
Yeah, put it right there. It could be fine. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, and it looks good. So this blanket, wasn't this blanket wash?
Here.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'll leave it there. Okay. Oh gosh. So still cleaning. Faith's taking her time up in there. Oh, and she built her hanger that she wanted to put up, her clothing rack. So I'm about to help her. So right now, for now, their mattresses is on the floor until
But I don't sleep up here. I sleep on the couch.
their set comes. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going from room to room. Laying down. So you gotta set up. Gonna set up this room the best way you can. No, all you gotta do,
all my clothes.
you have them in the closet.
More clothes on the thing.
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna get velvet hangers.
I'm about to take a shower and then get dressed and cook dinner. Yeah, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys Memphis's room. So. But yeah, guys, so thanks for watching. We will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
For the dough, tell her one, but she want for the dough. Tell her 9 5 for the no. Tell her die for the no.
Ghana girl say she want marry me yo. I hope so she sabi kukuwa.